world is a strange and terrifying place. Now, Pocan Joe has joined the Link Squad. Thanks to me, Dr. Von Hoot, the evil new force in the comic book community.
Oh, I don't know who the hell you think you are. You cannot out-evil me. I'm about to... Daughter of the Clan Pocan! Give me my tricorder and whoopee!
Oh, shit!
Oh, it's on, son. So, you cannot out-evil the Pocan. So here's what we're gonna do. Not only are you a horrible, horrible villain, because you got no ring, son, you got no bling, so I'm gonna help you out. Boom. I'm gonna make you an evil genius ring, and I'm gonna do something for Mrs. Hoot and Magic Badger as well. Oh, I'm hyped! Give me the fife and drums!